today as we celebrate the 29th founding anniversary of our beloved school, we once again honor the light that has guided Bataan Montessori School Incorporated through nearly 3 decades of learning and service. This candle represents the bright spirit of our community, our founders' vision, our teachers' dedication, our parents' support, and the joyful growth of every child who becomes a part of the Bataan Montessori School Incorporated family. As we light the anniversary candle, may this flame remind us of our shared commitment to nurture young minds and to continue the legacy that has made our school a place where dreams take root and flourish. May it shine with hope, unity, and faith in the many years ahead.